so happy with that. You asked, I deliver the nuoc mum recipe. It's not a family secret, but everyone does it a little bit differently. Everyone gets judged on how they make theirs. I'm showing you how to make mine. I'm doing this in between another recipe, so I've got a chocolate slice recipe as well. But we've got a couple of minutes, so I thought, perfect time to make this. I've got some sugar here. This is in the measurements below because I don't remember it. I think it's 2 tablespoons. It's also in my book, A Gay Guy's Guide. So welcome back to my channel. Forgot to do all of that. I'm making a nuoc mum today. That's the sugar. I've got some boiling water, about 3 tablespoons. That just helps melt the sugar. If you don't want to use the hot water, the boiling water, don't. I usually do just because it really helps with the sugar melting. Lime. Ooh. Someone's loud upstairs. We've got 1 lime here that I'm just going to juice straight into the sugar water, or the syrup. So you basically have made a cordial with the lime and the sugar. Now, obviously everyone's limes will be different sizes, there'll be different acidity, all of that stuff depending on how ripe it is. So I will be kind of using this as a guide, which I think you guys should as well, especially because fish sauce is always different. I've got the squid man fish sauce is the one that I always use. Every fish sauce is a little bit different. Every garlic is a little bit different. Every chili is a little bit different. So alter it, change it to your taste. Nuoc mum is traditional, it's delicious, it's Vietnamese. I froth it hard. We use it on every single dish, pretty much, that is Vietnamese. Fish sauce. Got 2 tablespoons of fish sauce that is going in. Might need more, I'll tell you when I am tasting. All right, so I'm trying really hard not to get anything on myself. I don't want to spill on this top. If you want to find out why, you can look it up on my chocolate coconut slice recipe. But two cloves of garlic. They're quite large cloves, so if you've got smaller cloves, all good. This is why I'm saying this recipe is always different. I'll deal with this guy first. Nice little crush. Oh my God, please don't get on me. If you've got smaller cloves, you can use 3, you can use 4, depending on the size of them. It's just a rough chop of the garlic. So rough chop, 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 chop. Seeing as I've got so much garlic, because it's big cloves, I'm just gonna do a rough chop, because that's fine as well. That goes straight into your sauce. All right, chilies, 3 bird's eyes. If you do not want to get too hot, use long red. You don't like it hot, so you probably would use long red, maybe just 1.
Or maybe none.
No, you can't not use any. It's a nuoc mum recipe, there has to be chili in it. Traditionally, we do it with bird's eye. That's the chili that's very available around Vietnam. We also have the Thai red chilies. We have them in Vietnam as well. We don't call them Thai red chilies, we just call them red chilies. But yeah, you just want this to be kind of chopped up really roughly. Just run my knife through this again. That goes into my sauce. With that, I will mix this guy up, have a little taste. Fish sauce, another dash. So this is what I mean when I say you have to taste it, because the flavors will change depending on your ingredients. Sugar. So I'm gonna just put in another teaspoon of sugar. Perfect. This is a nuoc mum, very traditional Vietnamese sauce. You put it out into a ramekin, it's used as a dipping sauce. You can coat it on your salads and then it becomes a dressing. It's something that is used all the time. It's the base of a lot of dishes as well. It's very simple, very easy. There's not going to be too much cutting in this video either because of the fact that it only took me like 7 minutes to do. It's always delicious. That kick from the chili and then that savouriness from the garlic is heaven. A really well balanced sauce. Give it a go for yourself. If you want to see anything else from me, obviously comment, subscribe, like below. Let me know what you think about the sauce and tell me if it works out for you. Maybe your ratios change. Tell me that as well. Lovely to see you all today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully see you again soon. Bye now.